It feels so weird.
She's getting comfortable. She really is getting comfortable.
Uh-oh, it's not good.
Yeah, and then she just flinched.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I think she's pooping now.
Get her off of me, get her off of me.
No, it's funny. We're not even 30 seconds of the video. Now we are.
Get her off of me.
No, I said it's a long video. She's flinching everywhere. You're a good test dummy.
Go Scooby-Doo, go to Scooby-Doo.
This is Scooby-Doo with the sports. No, it's Scooby-Doo with the sport.
Down his head.
Wait, you're scaring her.
Can you get her off of me now?
No, we're not even a minute in. Yeah, we are. We're like minute 17 seconds.
I'm still washing my hair after this.
Crikey, I think she actually pooped in his hair. Oh, she did! Oh my god, she pooped in your hair.
Is she really?
Yeah, it's right there. Oh my god.